Pay close attention because today I am going to show you a simple weekly routine that literally doubles your Android's battery life. This is not some random trick. It's my personal 10-minute ritual I do every Sunday to reset my system and stop hidden settings that drain your battery after every update. Let's get started. Step 1. Stop Google's constant syncing. Your Google account syncs tons of stuff in the background: contacts, movies, photos, calendars, even when you don't need it. All that background syncing means one thing: your battery never gets to rest. Here is what you do: go to Settings, Accounts and Backup, Manage Accounts, or you can simply open Accounts. Tap on your main Google account, choose Sync Account, and you will see a long list of everything syncing automatically. Now simply turn off whatever you don't use daily. You don't need Google Play Movies syncing every few minutes. Each switch you turn off, less background activity, more battery life. Step 2. Stop stuck background processes. Sometimes an app keeps running even after you have closed it, silently eating your battery. To find and stop them, go to Settings, About Phone, Software Information. Tap Build Number 7 times to unlock developer options. Now open Developer Options. Under Developer Options, search for Running Services. Here you will see what's currently using your RAM. If you see an app you haven't used for days, like a game, tap it and hit Stop. You just killed a silent battery drainer. Step 3. Disable hidden scanners. Even when you are not using your phone, sensors keep scanning nearby devices and networks. That's another sneaky power leak. Here is what to do. Go to Settings, Connections, More Connection Settings, or search nearby devices. Turn off nearby device scanning. Then go back and open Location Settings. Turn off location accuracy, Wi-Fi scanning, and Bluetooth scanning. These features automatically turn back on after updates, so check them every week. They use Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to constantly scan your surroundings, even when you are asleep. Once disabled, you will notice your phone stays cool and your battery lasts longer overnight. Step 4. Protect your battery health. This step doesn't just extend your daily battery, it extends its lifespan. Go to Settings. This setting can be different for different brands. I'm doing for Samsung. Battery, Battery protection. Change the mode from basic to maximum, or set charging to stop at 85%. This keeps your battery cells healthy for years. Overcharging is what kills most batteries. This simple limit prevents that. Step 5. Automate weekly maintenance. Finally, let your phone take care of itself. Go to Settings, Device Care, Memory or Optimization. In my case, I search Schedule Power On Off and Restart. You can either schedule or restart while you are sleeping or let it restart automatically when needed. A quick weekly restart clears cache, resets background apps, and keeps your phone running like new. And that's it, my 5-step Sunday battery ritual. It takes less than 10 minutes, costs nothing, and doubles your phone's endurance. Try this week and let me know which step made the biggest difference for you.